Ever wondered how YouTube recommends videos you might like, or how online shopping sites suggest items that catch your interest? This isn't magic or mere coincidence. It's the result of a fascinating concept known as machine learning. It's all around us, quietly shaping our digital experiences. Among its different types, there's one called unsupervised learning. It's the mastermind, the hidden hand, the invisible puppeteer behind these seemingly random suggestions. Imagine you're a teacher in a classroom full of students, but you have no information about them. How would you group them? Welcome to the world of unsupervised learning, a branch of machine learning where algorithms are left to their own devices to discover and present us with the hidden structures within unlabeled data. Much like our hypothetical teacher, these algorithms have no prior knowledge about the data they're working with. Now let's delve into the three main types of unsupervised learning: clustering, dimensionality reduction, and density estimation. Clustering is like the teacher grouping students based on similarities that she observes. Maybe she notices a group of students who always bring their lunch from home, or another group who are always the first to arrive in the morning. In a similar way, clustering algorithms group data points together based on shared characteristics. Next, we have dimensionality reduction. This is akin to the teacher reducing the complexity of her classroom by focusing on key traits, such as attendance or participation, rather than trying to analyze every single detail about each student. Dimensionality reduction simplifies high-dimensional data, making it easier to interpret and visualize. Lastly, there's density estimation. Imagine the teacher wants to predict how many students will bring their lunch from home on any given day. She would use her observations to make this estimation, just as density estimation in unsupervised learning uses data to predict the likelihood of a certain event occurring. So, unsupervised learning is like our teacher grouping students based on their similarities, all without any prior knowledge about them. Now, you might be wondering, where do we use unsupervised learning in real life? Well, let's dive into some real-world applications. Unsupervised learning is everywhere. Have you ever wondered how Netflix or Amazon knows just what to suggest for your next movie night or shopping spree? That's unsupervised learning at work, powering recommendation systems. By clustering similar user behavior and preferences, these platforms can predict what you might like based on what others like you have enjoyed. Then there's image recognition. Unsupervised learning helps in identifying patterns and features in images that might not be visible to the naked eye. Think about Google Photos automatically categorizing your pictures into different groups like people, places, or things. Finally, unsupervised learning also helps in detecting fraudulent transactions. By spotting unusual patterns in transaction data, it can flag potential frauds that might otherwise go unnoticed. From YouTube recommendations to detecting credit card fraud, unsupervised learning plays a crucial role. So, we've embarked on a journey into the world of unsupervised learning today. We've delved into the depths of this fascinating branch of machine learning, exploring the intricate workings of clustering, dimensionality reduction, and density estimation. It's evident that unsupervised learning is more than just an abstract concept. It's the invisible force that helps us navigate the vast digital universe, sorting through the chaos and making sense of the endless information streams. We've seen how unsupervised learning operates in the real world, from grouping similar items in online shopping to detecting fraudulent transactions in banking. It's the silent partner, always working behind the scenes, making our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. Unsupervised learning is an integral part of our digital lives, working tirelessly to bring order to our digital experiences. It's a powerful tool that continues to shape the future of technology. Next time you see a recommendation online, remember, it's not magic, it's unsupervised learning at work.